The universe is approximately 13.799 billion years old. The Milky Way galaxy is 13.51 billion years. Our home star, the Sun, is 4.603 billion years. And our home planet Earth is 4.543 billion years old. But what if Mars was much warmer, had water and atmosphere a few million years ago? Scientists have hypothesized that there was another planet in our solar system. Planet Phaeton was between Mars and Jupiter, right where the main asteroid belt is now. Some scientists suggested that Phaeton was destroyed due to centrifugal forces, giving it a diameter of approximately 6,880 kilometers and a rotational speed of 2.6 hours. Eventually, the planet became so distorted that parts of it near its equator were spun off into space. Another scientist suggested that planet Phaeton has collapsed with another large cosmic body with the size of a small planet, and some of its remains are now part of the main asteroid belt, and another part is now Earth's moon. The history of people only dates back a few thousand years. Don't people seem to be progressing too fast? It seems that people's aspiration to technological progress and reaching space is going super fast. It almost seems that it's our instinct. There are a few people that support the theory that our species originated from Mars or another planet in our solar system, perhaps Phaeton. Let's fantasize a bit on this topic. Let's say people really evolved millions of years ago in our solar system, either on Mars or Phaeton. People had a great evolutionary path and made it through wars, colonization, and more wars, finally reaching the technological era, making it possible to travel across the solar system, as well as sending a large colony to other planets. Our ancestors could have had architecture that was technologically highly advanced, and they could have broadcast electricity and transmitted other signals globally across the whole planet wirelessly. Pyramids could have been built that are similar to the pyramids of Giza. Socially and morally, it could have been very similar to how we are now or how we were hundreds of years ago. Our interplanetary ancestors could have finally existed in the world of utopia and happiness. Or it could have been a very cruel and warlike world. Phaeton most likely ran out of resources such as natural gas, oil, etc. People needed to find resources elsewhere, which meant other planets. These were Mars and Earth. Back then, Mars was the planet that could have been habitable to human life. Then there might have been two planets that people lived on, Phaeton and Mars. Politically, it could have had superior global government in each planet and worked closely with each other, or it could have been politically different worlds with a Cold War, just like the United States and the Soviet Union. This is actually a good topic to fantasize on. I will make a movie about this, I promise. Each planet had a different size, gravitation, and oxygen density. Temperatures varied, and each received different levels of radiation from the Sun. Such extreme differences could cause very serious impacts on human evolution and affect things such as height and overall size, hair and skin color, which could mean that races were different back then. Languages, of course, were different to the level of countries that were in each planet. just like it is today on Earth. Was there perhaps a dominant interplanetary business language? But something made our ancestors end up on Earth, and now we see dead Mars and the main asteroid belts that could be the remains of Phaeton. The reason could have been either interplanetary war or disaster from outer space. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified of new videos from Cosmo Philosopher.